Today we'll start with type of grasslands in the world. First, we must understand what is grassland. Grasses are found, like greens, where no trees are found. That is called grassland. So there are actually many types of grasslands are there, but only these 9 types of grasslands is important. Types of grasslands, if you see, means there are 2 types of grassland. That is, one is temperate grassland and otherwise tropical grassland. That tropical grassland is sauna grassland. See, can you see here sauna grassland? Okay, so actually see in previous year questions, if you see, I think so in 2021 questions came here like whale grassland is located in which region? So that is Southern Africa region. So we'll start with all grasslands and their region. And you know, grasslands are important for many things like grazing, ecotourism, biodiversity preservation, and agriculture. So there are many. They have many uses. So you know, sauna grassland is located in which region? That is Africa, South America, and Australia region. Actually, see, if we will be doing batches for CDS, so in CDS questions might come in some other way. Because see, now sauna grassland is located in Africa, South America, and Australia region. But in CDS questions, they might ask like in which countries. They might give some countries options, and they'll ask that 2, 3 in one options like 3 questions, 3 countries name will be there. In second option, 4 countries name will be there. So in that they'll ask in which country it is located. So that we'll do when we are doing the serious batches. Now we'll see here. See, sauna grassland is located in Africa region. See where is the sauna grassland? Sauna is actually, this is tropical grassland. So sauna, all this that painted with this grey color, see all these are sauna grassland. So African sauna is in Africa, then it is in also in South America and is in Australia. Then steppe grassland. Steppe grassland is in Eurasia. Actually, see, Europe is a continent where we don't have any grassland, but that steppe grassland which is in Asia, that little bit touches the boundary of Europe. So Europe, you must remember, Europe is the continent where grassland is absent. Okay, so next, pampas grassland, that is in South America. See here, pampas. So can anyone say me the country name where is this pampas grassland is located? See, this pampas grassland is in Argentina. So okay, next we'll move to prairies grassland, that is in North America. See here, can you see here? Okay, tell me which country is located here. Are you all aware of the World Atlas map? See, there will be one definite questions will be coming from country, capital, and currency. So you must know in which country are there, at which place in the world map, and the capital name. So this prairie grassland, see, actually here is Canada, and here upper part is USA, but is in totally in Canada. So prairie grassland, that is in North America. Then veld, this veld grassland, that is in Southern Africa. See, veld, this is temperate grassland. So questions might be asked like they might give which type of grassland is temperate grassland, and they might give options like pampas, veld, downs, and they might give campos also. So in that options will be like 1, 2, 3, 1 only. So like 1, 2, 3. All these pampas, veld, and down grassland, all these 3 are temperate grassland. Okay, so veld is in Southern Africa. This is here, and here see, sorry, veld in Southern Africa. This is here, and here there is a mountain range that is Drakensberg mountain here. So if questions might come that where the grassland is near to which mountain, so that is Drakensberg mountain. Okay, so next is Downs grassland. This Downs grassland is in Australia. See here, this is temperate grassland, this is in Australia. Okay, next Campos. This Campos grassland is in South America. Here, actually here countries like Brazil and Ecuador. So both countries you can take, but if options will be there in AFCAT, mostly options will be like state options. So South America options will be there. So Campos is in South America. Then Pustaj grassland, that is in Eurasia. Both here, Eurasia, both in Europe and Asia. Then Manchuri, I think so many of you have eaten Manchurian. So that is Manchuria grassland. That is in China and Russia. See here, can you see here? Temperate type of grassland, that is in China and Russia. Okay, so next we will move upon to the major deserts of the world, that is hot and cold desert. Okay, how many continents we have in the world? Totally we have 7 continents, but in Antarctica continents we don't have any countries. No people are staying there. So only out of 6 continents you have to study about country, capital and currency. So in that places there are many deserts in the world. So out of that we are seeing the major deserts which are important. Okay, so now see, in Antarctica continent there is a polar ice and tundra continent. See, this tundra, wherever if you see, that means that is like a glacier type or ice type. So if some questions might come, I'm not saying in desert, if some questions comes in other part also related to glacier or ice or something, so that is in that if the questions asked, so that will be in tundra region. So in Antarctica there is a polar ice and tundra desert, that is in Antarctica. Study about this.
Sir, kindly please change the slide, sir.
Change the slide to
desert. It's now in grassland only.
Okay, you want slides in grassland? Okay, here. Okay, guys, any doubt in grassland? See, questions will be mostly they might give that grassland's name, and they might ask in which region that is located, or they might ask in which they might give some region name, and they might ask in which in that region which type of grassland is located. So you must be prepared about these two. These two is not of that much important for the AFCAT exam. So study only these two, name and region. Okay, so any doubt in grassland? Actually, I'll share the PDF of this one. So any issues in this in grassland?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we are moving to next topic, major deserts. Okay. We had seen already this polar ice and tundra desert, that is in Antarctica. And see, Antarctica, that is Antarctica and Arctic, both are in glacier type. So in both places, polar ice and tundra desert is located. So, and in this you don't study this area and this kilometer and square meter, only you study this type of desert and location. So in Arctic region, polar ice and tundra desert is located. See, Arctic region, if you see that are in which countries, so Arctic region is in Finland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden. So and in this you start a study, you must know about the Nordic countries also. See, all these 4 are Nordic countries. So in AFCAT one time question have come about the which country is Nordic countries, and they have given option. So a study about Nordic countries. Okay, and this polar ice and tundra, and in Eastern Europe, in Russia, that is nearby to the Arctic glacier. So okay, so next we'll move to Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert, that is a subtropical area. See, if you draw the globe, you will be seeing like equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. So in middle Tropic of Cancer, that you will take it as Tropic of Cancer, and equator, that we will take it as subtropical. So that Sahara Desert, I think so everyone will be knowing Sahara Desert is in where is Sahara Desert? Can anyone tell me? Sahara Desert is the biggest desert that is in Africa. So that is in whole Africa. But if they give some country name or something, so country name Sahara is in Mali, then Nigeria, is not that much important. But you must know that Sahara is the biggest desert that is in Africa. Okay. So next is Australian desert, that is in Australia. Then next, Arabian desert. See, most of the deserts will be based on the name of that particular place, so that you can easily answer. But some deserts will be, some other name will be given, and they might ask the place name. So in that case, you must be knowing that places and that desert name. So where is Gobi Desert? This Gobi Desert is cold desert. So that questions might be asked like which type of cold desert is located in China. So that is Gobi Desert. So Gobi Desert is in China and Mongolia. Okay. Next is Kalahari Desert. This Kalahari Desert is in Botswana. Actually, it's in Africa only, but Kalahari Desert, if we'll take, mostly options will be like from Botswana. Other options might not come. So Kalahari Desert is in Botswana. Okay. Next is Patagonian Desert. That is in South America. That is and most of the east part is located in Argentina and Chile. Then next is Syrian Desert. Syrian Desert is by name, so you'll be knowing where it is. It's in Syria. So this is in Western Asia, Iraq, Jordan, and Syria. And then next, Great Basin Desert. This is cold desert which is located in USA, United States. Then this desert is not of that much important, but if you curious about knowing the places, okay, study. But this what actually Chuan Desert, that is in Central America, but this is of not that much important. Then next is Karakum Desert, that is in USA. See, on base of this polarity plateau, the desert also there and mountain ranges also there. So this Colorado plateau is in USA and it's a cold desert. Then next is Sonoran Desert. See, this desert is important, and about this desert only one question have come. Where this Sonoran Desert is located? That is in North America, US. And then this desert is not of that much important, but okay. Kizkum Desert, that is cold desert, that is in Kazakhstan. Then Taklamakan Desert, that is in China. And this Taklamakan Desert is also, this question also have come one time. So this is in China. Then Thar Desert, you know, I think so everyone knows about Thar Desert, that is in India. Then this Daste-e-Margo Desert, that is in Afghanistan. Then Daste-e-Margo Desert, and there is also a desert named Daste-e-Margo, that is in Iran. So you know Afghanistan and Iran are like border countries. So Daste-e-Margo Desert, that is in Afghanistan also and in Iran also. Then next is Atacama Desert, that is in South America. And this Atacama Desert is driest desert. Then next is Mojave Desert, that is in USA, and this is not of that much important. So study only important deserts name. Okay, then next is Columbia Desert, that is in USA, and Namib Desert, that is in Namibia. So the questions also come from it, like they might give some desert name. They might ask which is hot desert and which is cold desert. So cold desert, see, Gobi desert is cold, then Great Basin cold desert, Karakum cold desert, Kichkum cold desert, then this Columbia cold desert. So all these are cold deserts. Others all are desert. Mostly desert will be like hot only. So others all are hot. Okay. So now we will see the all this type of deserts in world map. See, we study about Patagonian desert. Where it is? This is South America, and this Monte deserts. This is of not that much important. See, this is South America, and this is North America. This here, from here, if you take here like this, that is Europe. Then from there, if you take this much, that is Asia, and this is Africa. This is Australia. So in South America, Peruvian desert is there, Atacama desert is there, Patagonian desert is there, and Monte desert is there. And in North America, Chuan desert is there, Sonoran and Mojave desert is there, and Great Basin desert is there. And in Africa, see, Africa is like, you can see this is driest place where this poverty index is very high. So here most of the deserts are located in Africa, and all are dry desert, and it will be all hot deserts. So here Sahara desert is there, which is the biggest. Then in Namibia, Namib desert is there. Then Kalahari. This Kalahari desert is in.
Sir, the slide is in the grassland itself. It's not changing. The desert slide is not visible. It's in the grassland slide.
Oh, this desert slide is not visible to you. 1 minute. Okay, now this slide is visible or not? Tell me. See, in the world map, see, it's showing like cold desert, warm desert. Is it visible to you?
No, sir.
It's in the grassland, sir.
Okay, still now.
So the slide is still in the grasslands, sir.
Okay, wait a minute, I'll check. So now this desert slide is there not? Can you see it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
1 minute, wait. Can you see now? Can you see different slides now?
No, sir.
Which slides can you see? Okay,
So
now
still in grassland, sir.
still is in grassland.
Yes, sir.
What can you see in front of your screen now? Is there something called Master PPT for Microsoft PowerPoint?
So major desert, hot and cold of the world, sir.
Now what can you see?
Type of grassland in the world, sir.
Now what can you see?
Major deserts of the world, sir.
Now is there an atlas?
Sorry, sir?
Now is there an atlas in front of you?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, the slide did not change.
No, sir.
So it's changing, sir.
It's changing, no?
Yes, sir.
It's a little bit slow. Okay. First, take this slide. First slide.
Sir, when you do slideshow, it is not changing, sir. When we change manually, it is changing, sir.
Okay, guys. Now this major deserts of the world. So are you all clear about this one? Now I said about the important deserts of the world, where some questions have come already, like in PYQs. So are you all clear about this one? Can anyone confirm me? Are you all there? Can anyone confirm me? Are you all clear about this major deserts of the world? Or again, should I show the slide?
You're okay, sir. Yeah.
We'll share this slide with.
Okay, now can you see the atlas on the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now in this South American continent, see, South American continent, Peruvian, Atacama, Patagonian and Monte desert is there. So where this Atacama desert is located? In which country? See, this actually, okay, Atacama desert is in South America. Oceans will be mostly like South America only. And here, see, here there is a Andes mountain. Here this range is Andes mountain range. Okay. So everyone knows about all these continents. This is North America, South America, Europe, from here lies, then Asia, Africa, Australia. So now we'll come to this North America. In North America, Sonoran Desert, Mojave Desert, Great Basin Desert, and Chihuahuan Desert is located in North America. Then in South America, deserts like Peruvian, Atacama, Patagonian, and Monte deserts is located. Then in Africa, Africa, Namibia, Kalahari, Sahara, and Kanu. This Arabian deserts, you can say that is in Africa also, and some parts in Asia also. Then here Australia desert. Here you can see the Australia deserts. And see here this Gobi desert, that is in China as well as Russia. Then this steppe desert. See, steppe is a grassland also and desert also. So that is in Eurasia, both in Asia and Russia. Okay, so now are you all clear about the deserts of the world?
Yes, sir.
Okay, at last, if we have time, we'll see the questions also. Otherwise, I'll share the questions on WhatsApp. So from there, you can solve it. Okay. So next, we'll go to the major mountain ranges of the world. So see, first, what is in mountains? If you see, first, what is called ridge? You must understand what is ridge. Then what is range? Then you must understand what is called mountain system. Then what is mountain chain. Then what is called cordillera. So first, if we'll see what is mountain ridge, it refers to the mountains which originate as a result of local folding and faulting. See what happens, how mountains is formed. First we should see mountains is formed. There are two places like that is one is called continental plate and one is oceanic plate. So continental plate, if you see, when continental plate is less denser and the oceanic plate is more denser. So most of the mountain ranges, if you see, that will be near to the ocean side, ocean or sea side. Only some mountains are there that is near in inland places. But most of the mountains, if you see, that will be near to the water body. In this, what happens? This when continental plate and oceanic plate collide with each other, that time what happens? The denser plate goes down, and this continental plate goes up. So in that formation, folding and faulting, due to that one, mountains is formed. So in that, due to result of folding and faulting, that is mountain range. So you know, if that denser plate, oceanic plate is going down, and that less denser plate, continental plate is when it's going up, so there will be a formation of slope. So generally the slope of one side of the ridge is steep. Say if you'll take, say like if you are staying in South India, if you'll take that mountain ranges in Western Ghats. In Western Ghats, if you see, why some in Western Ghats, see, if one side, if you see like from Western Ghat of the western side, if you see, that will be like a fully steep side. Sorry, that will be a slope side, and in eastern side, sorry, one minute. From in Western Ghat, that out of all that mountains, if you see, in eastern side, that will be of slope regions, and in western side of the Western Ghat, that is of steep region. So like that example, you can see that all the mountain ranges that will have one steep region and one slope region. So generally, slope of one side of the ridge is steep in contrast. Okay. So now we come to the mountain range. This mountain range, see, it refers to a series of ridges which originate in the same age and undergo the same process. So all that series of ridges are called mountain range. So in Himalaya, you know, there are many types of mountain range. So now see system. Series of ridge is mountain range Then series of mountain ranges system, mountain system. So a group of mountain ranges formed in a single period is similar in their form. So that is mountain system. And then mountain system forms chain. So it consists of mountain ranges which differ in size and period of formation. So now next we come to the cordillera. What is cordillera? That is community of mountains which includes ranges, mountain chains. So that is cordillera. So this cordillera example you can see is in North America or South America. Say in North America there is a mountain called Rocky. That Rockies mountain is inside that Rocky mountain. If you see, there will be a lot of ranges and everything. So that is cordillera. Similarly, if you see in Andes mountain, that is in South America, there also you can see a lot of this mountain ranges. All mountain ranges, mountains also will be there. All these forms cordillera. Okay. Now see. Okay. Please mute your speaker. Okay. Okay. See this Andes mountain. This is South America. So here in this Andes mountain, here this is Andes mountain. See, this starts from here like it's ongoing. So this is Andes mountain, that is South America. And here in this North America, see here Rockies. This from here, if you go start going like this, here Canada, USA, Mexico, everything. So here you will see the Rockies mountain. In Rockies mountain, there is a Appalachian plateau. That is in the USA. This is Appalachian plateau in Rockies mountain. And here in Rockies mountain, there is a Cascade range. And see, in Andes mountain, there is a mountain that is in Argentina. That is Faujis de Saldo. That is in Argentina. And this question I have come. This Faujis de Saldo located in which country? That is Argentina. And see, here if you come to the Europe area, see, here there is a mountain range that is Alps mountain. So only here in North America, Rockies is important. In South America, Andes is important. They might ask directly questions like Andes mountain is in which continent or in which region? So that is South America, Rockies in North America, Alps in Europe, and this Atlas mountain that is in Africa. This is nearby the sea area. See here, if you start see, this is Atlantic Ocean. If you go from here inside, then here this Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea starts. So here Mediterranean Sea starts, then Red Sea. So here there is a sewage canal. So you must know if they might ask where this sewage canal is located. See here, can you see this narrow water body? So here sewage canal is located. That is in Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Sorry, not here. Here sewage canal is located. Mediterranean Sea is here. This one is Mediterranean Sea and this is Red Sea. So sewage canal is located in Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So I think it's not in AFCAT, but in one of the competitive exams, they have asked sewage canal is located in which region? Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea. Then they had given Red Sea, Caspian Sea. So Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, sewage canal is located. See here. In South Africa, Drakensberg mountain is located. So here at the same place, there is a grassland. Can someone tell me which grassland is here? Name of the grassland. Any one of you tell me name of the grassland located here. See here in South Africa, Veld grassland is located. So Veld grassland is nearby the mountain of Drakensberg. So here in South Africa, Veld grassland is located. Then Urals is in this Eurasia, both in Russia and both in Europe and Asia. So Urals is in Eurasia. And this Tin San, Altai San, Kunlun San, this is in China area. And this Pamir Knot, you know, that is in both India and China area, Pamir Knot. And this Himalaya is famous everywhere. So Himalaya is in here, this India, in northern India. And then this Great Dividing Range, that is in Australia. See, most of the, if a Great Dividing like is come, like if most of the questions if Great comes, that is in Australia. Only some few exceptions are there. Like you would have seen in here, in Grassland, there is a Great Basin Desert that is in USA. Sorry, the Great Basin Desert here. Great Basin Desert that is in USA. So actually most of the great names comes that is in Australia, but some exceptions are there, like this desert that is in USA. Okay, so are you all clear with grassland, desert, and mountains of the world?
Yes, sir.
Are you all clear? Okay, that we had seen in this on a map area. So now we'll see in theory types. See, Rocky Mountain that is in USA, that is in North America area. So here in Rocky Mountains, highest peak is Mount Elbert. Actually, questions have not come from here, this highest peaks. But we'll see about this one also, because who knows, questions from where, which type of questions will be asked. So Rocky Mountains, in Rocky Mountains, highest peak is Mount Elbert, that is in North America. This Appalachian Mountains, that is also in North America, but most of the part is in USA. So the highest peak is Mountain Mitchell. Then Alps Mountain, that is in Europe, that is highest peak is Mont Blanc. So this is important. This question might come. Actually, it has not come, but remember about this one. Which is the highest peak of Alps Mountain? That is Mount Blanc. Then this Sierra Nevada mountain is in California, USA, and Alaska range also in North America. These two are not that much important, but okay, we'll see about this one also. And now see, Altai Mountains, we had seen, that is in China area. So that is in Central Asia. And highest peak is Beluga Mountain. And then Andes Mountain, that is Mount Aconcagua, highest peak, that is in South America. Andes in South America, and highest peak of Andes Mountain is Mount Aconcagua. Okay, so now we'll move to the Atlas Mountain. Atlas Mountain, that is in northwestern Africa. Highest peak of Atlas Mountain is Mount Topkal, that is in northwest America. Then Drakensberg Mountain, that is in South America. For this, highest peak is not of any importance. Caucasus Mountain, that is in Europe, and its highest peak is Elbrus. This is important. This Mount Elbrus question had come in some other competitive exam. So highest peak of Caucasus Mountain is Mount Elbrus, that is in Europe. And Ural Mountains, that is in Russia. Actually, it's in Eurasia, both in Asia and Europe, but most of the part is Russia. So Ural Mountains is Russia. Then Hindu Kush Mountain, that is in Afghanistan and Pakistan, not in India. Hindu Kush Mountain, Pakistan and Afghanistan, not in India. Himalaya, everyone knows, that is in Asia, China and India. Then this Arkan Yoma Mountain, that is in Myanmar. Then this Kunlun Mountain, already we studied on the map, that is in China area. Then Vosges Mountain, that is in Europe, France, Europe. Great Dividing Range in Australia. Only see peak importance in some mountains. I'll say, see, Himalayas, everyone knows, highest peak is Mount Everest. So this is important. Then Caucasus Mountain, highest peak is Elbrus. This is important in highest peak. Then Atlas Mountains, highest peak is Mount Topkal. This is also important. Then in Rocky Mountains, highest peak is Mount Elbert, and in Alps Mountain, highest peak is Mount Blanc. And in Andes Mountains, Mount Aconcagua. That is important. So only these mountain peaks are important. Others are not of that much importance. So study about all these mountains, ranges, and where it is located, and importance peak. Okay. Next we'll move upon to the important cities and rivers. See, actually, Indian rivers and cities I will teach on the next day, because you see, in Indian rivers questions used to come. So in the rivers, we'll see the drainage system also, and we'll see the tributary also. So, I think so 2 or 3 times questions have come from Ganga river. Like if you see that which 2 rivers join on the on Rudraprayag, direct questions have come. So that I'll teach you tomorrow. Today we'll see about the important rivers of the world. This is also important, and rivers and cities of the world have come many times. So study about this also, important cities and rivers. So see, now if you see, Amsterdam, that is located on the back of Amstel. Amsterdam is of not of that much important, but a study about this Tigris river. This Tigris river is located near Baghdad area. So Baghdad is located on the bank of Tigris river. Then Bangkok is located on Chao Phraya river. This is of not of that much important. Then see, Danube river is near to the Belgrade area. So Belgrade is located on the Danube river. See, Danube river have come one time. So a study about Danube river, that is in Budapest, Bratislava and Belgrade area. So any one of the options might be there. So a study about Danube river, in which city it is located. So Budapest is located on the Danube river. And then this is important, Nile river. Cairo is located on the bank of Nile river. We'll see the important rivers. Then see, important cities will see. Lahore is on the bank of Ravi river. London river, this question have come, London city, this question have come one time. So London is on Thames river. Then Madrid of Spain is on Manzanares river. Then Montreal river, it is on Saint Lawrence river, and Moscow is on Moscow river. So only these some important rivers are there. We will see it on map. See here, River Rhine. River Rhine, that's in Germany. So one river Rhone, what happens? That drains to the Mediterranean Sea, and River Rhine drains to the Atlantic Ocean. That's in Germany. And this Volga river, where this Volga is located near to the Russia and Turkey area. Study of this is of not that much important, but if questions come, so if you see the city's name near to the like Russia and Turkey area, so answer you that one. Then Amazon river, everyone would have been famous about this Amazon river. This is in the South America region, and this is the largest rainforest of the world. And they say US is located on the bank of Mississippi river. This Mississippi river has come one time. So Mississippi river is located in USA. River, this Mekong river is in Myanmar area. You all would have heard about Mekong Delta. So that's nearby to this Bay of Bengal area. So Mekong river is in Myanmar area, and this Yangtze river that is in Japan area, and the Yellow river that's in nearby to this Japan and China area. Okay, and see in actually some rivers are left. This is actually among all these cities, all are important in this slide. All these are important, and in this one only this Thames river, Danube river, and this Tigris river, that is important. But in this slide, all these cities are important. On the bank of CNA river, all this 1, 2, 3, 7, all these 7 cities, and plus their Tigris, then Danube river, and then one more Thames river. London is located on the Thames river. So study these cities, all these 10 cities. Study about all these cities. So these 10 cities are important. Actually, questions will be most of the, if questions will come, questions will be from these 10 cities only mostly. So Rome is on Tiber River, then Seoul is on Han River, Shanghai is on Huangpu River, Vienna, Austria, that is on Danube River, and Washington is on Potomac River. Okay, these all were important cities and rivers of the world. So tomorrow we'll see the country, capitals, and currency of the world. I think so. You all can study by yourself. Otherwise, tomorrow I'll mention the important country which have been recent news. Mostly question will be from their own. If they'll ask currency or capital, question will be from recent topics in which that particular country had come. So questions will be there. So I'll say the important country name. So study about capital and currency. One question will be there formally from country, capital, and currency. So study about that one. So okay, any doubt from all these 4 topics: grasslands, deserts, mountains, and rivers? Any doubt from these 4 topics? Can anyone reply?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, tell me on which river, on the Hudson River, which city is located? Can anyone tell me? That's there in slide all day. New York is located on the bank of Hudson River. So I'll send you the questions in the group. So try to solve it. And if any doubt or anything, just you can message in the group and we'll confirm it there. Okay. So today that's all.
Can you share this PPT in the group, sir?
Okay. Okay, I'll send the PPT also in that one. So I study and see the map also. See, through map you can easily, if I see the map, so through map you can cover all these topics in one place. So see the map. If you remember the map, so you can easily know the which country is there, which continent is there, so which type of grassland is there, which river is there. So you can recognize it from the map. So see the map and study from the map mostly. So that will be beneficial for you. Okay, so that's all for today, and we'll see that tomorrow. Tomorrow we will see the topic solar system, Earth, atmosphere. Then we will see the Himalaya and drainage system of India. So tomorrow we'll see that topic, and from that topic also at least one question will be there. 1 or 2 questions will be there from that much topic. And in this today's topic, at least one question will be there. And in this today topic include this country, currency, and capital also. So in all including these topics, one question will be there. So okay, we finish off the class.